This video will show how to add electrons to the drawing of the electronic configuration of any atom. For this example, we will be using phosphorus, which has an atomic number of 15. Since phosphorus has an atomic number of 15, which tells us the number of protons, we know that the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons in an atom. Therefore, we know by the atomic number that we have to insert 15 electrons when we are drawing the electronic configuration of phosphorus. First, we will write the symbol of phosphorus and its atomic number and enclose it with using a circle within the nucleus. So this first circle represents the nucleus of the phosphorus atom. Next, we will draw the first shell. The first shell in all atoms can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. We will add these two. 1, 2. This shell is now filled. We have 13 more of the 15 electrons to add. We will draw another shell. The second shell and all other shells can hold a maximum of 8 electrons. So we can add 8 out of the remaining 13 in this second shell. To add these electrons, please follow the rules. The rules are add them single at first, which is 4. We are adding 4 electrons single at first, and then we're going to pair them up. So let's add 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from the 5th electron, we're going to start to pair these. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 8 electrons in the second shell. We have 5 more. We have just inserted 10 in all. So 2 in the first one plus 8 in the second shell. We have 5 more of the 15 electrons to add. We will draw a third shell, which can hold a maximum of 8 electrons, but we only have 5 more to add. These 5 electrons, we're going to add 4 single first, just as we did in the second shell, and then start to pair with the 5th electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the electronic configuration of phosphorus. This is the drawing. After you draw, you are going to write out the electronic configuration of phosphorus by stating the number of electrons in each shell. The first shell has 2 electrons, the second shell has 8 electrons, and the third shell has 5 electrons. This is how you are going to draw and write the electronic configuration of any atom. Please remember, from the second shell onwards, you enter the first 4 electrons single at first, and then start pairing from the 5th electron.